Hi, I'm Karim Khaled, and this is a quick introduction to deep excavation software. Deep excavation software is mainly scope ensuring the system. In the beginning, of course, as you see here in Deep Wizard, there is a welcome analysis type. Dimension you can choose any case from this. Also, you can define your soil layer, wall type, stages, recharge, code. Also, deep excavation software, you can make an analysis for tunneling, tunnel spring analysis. You can calculate wave forces, seismic loop stability, MSE wall stability plus for bring capacity, base stability and method design. Also, we will make a comparison with other software to see the variation and logic in the results. Of course, with deep excavation and other software, deep excavation have another software like deep foundation for analysis and modeling of foundation, helix pile for helical and screw pile, snail plus for stability, slope stability analysis, and soil nail wall design, trench for stability of slurry supported trenches, and panels for 2D and 3D analysis.